What's going on, everyone? It's Zoo here at Touge Tuning, and just thought I'd take a minute to show you the disassembly of the OEM suspension that's going on behind me. It's 2014 WRX. We're going to be providing it with aftermarket dampeners and also lowering springs. So from Koni and Swift, respectfully. And Mike just stubbed his finger. Those are the OEM rears. Right now we're working on the fronts. And that's what it looks like when the front OEM suspension is out. As you can see right through where the top hat is. We've removed the entire unit at first. We're going to be disassembling that and then reassembling the entire thing and then putting it back in. And behind me are the old and boring OEM struts and springs, because the new ones are in the car now. Oh, the all-important anti-seize.
Stops it from coming back in.
Oh, it'll never cease again. Yellow and red.
Yellow and red.
Classic Iron Man colorway. Or
what blue?
What blue? Whoa! Ba-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Something Koni shocks. Something. Teamwork makes the dream work. Teamwork. I'm gonna turn off the Justin Bieber that you guys are playing. The new coilovers are now in the car, and you can see that because it's very, very bright. So to finish off the install today, we're also installing some front and rear Swaybars from Whiteline, along with some Cartboy end links. Front and rear Swaybars, incidentally, are a really nice way to improve performance without breaking the bank. And then also, this particular client has opted to go for the upgraded end links from Cartboy as well. And these are adjustable rear sway bars. In case you wonder how they adjust, there's 3 holes that they come with. I get a good shot of this, guys. Just bear with me here. I don't know how to operate this camera. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3 different stiffness settings. So that allows you to either have a slightly more compliant ride and have a little bit more softness in the rear sway bar, or you can go full send and you can have it really, really stiff so that the rear rotates more. And that allows you to do a little bit of fine tuning just in case you wanted that extra performance and you wanted that extra customization out of your rear sway bar. So that's really nice. We ended off the install with a quick alignment, and this car is all set to go. The new stance of the car looked great. We are also going to be releasing more vlog style videos in the future like this one, so if you like this or our other videos, please hit the like and subscribe buttons.